Ew.
And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my videos again, I'm gonna start with this unboxing. Basically, I ordered this Sugarbox as a birthday present for myself from sugarbox.com, of course. And well, I got it like literally 1 month after my birthday, and yeah. So as soon as I got this, I'm like so excited. I just wanted to open it and then see what's inside, and I want to unbox in front of all of you guys. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Kushu, and if you like what you're seeing right now, then please do subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button over there. And also, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Oh wow, give it a big thumbs up, and also comment below if you miss me. So without any further ado, let's go. So I've got the parcel like this. I ordered it probably April 2nd week or something like that, maybe in April 1st week or 2nd week, and I got it literally today, which is 16th of May. Like, wow. Woo, finally. So it's something like this. So this is how it is, and as I open it, something like this, and I got a card of just that written like something like this. You can pause and just read, and then ooh, it's wow. Whoa, it's a huge box. The first thing I have here, I am liking what I'm seeing right now. Like literally, it's this. It says Pretty Little Things. It's a jewelry box. Like, oh, how good is that? Wow, I can't even close. Okay, whatever. Just see my camera, okay? Yeah. So, oh my god, I love this. Probably I'll give it to my mom because I don't have, and because I don't really like jewelry and stuff, so I don't really have a lot of jewelry. Oh, the next thing I see is this bag. Oh my god. So this is one of my favorite colors and my mom's favorite colors. So if she is gonna like this, I'm gonna definitely gift it to her. So I think there's something in this bag. I'm just gonna open it. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. Well, wow. Whoa. I have a box. I think this is related to jewelry. I guess so. But where is my watch? I thought I would get a watch. I didn't get a watch. Let's see. Wow, this is super cute, you guys. You should see this. This is super cute. Look at that. It has a dress. It is super cute. I'm just gonna wear it. This is super cute. Like, look at that. Oh, the next one I have here is what is this? It's a sunblock and whitening cream with SPF UV 60. I don't know. Oh, my skin basically reacts to things which are new probably, or something that doesn't might suit. I have a really sensitive skin. Oh, this has good smell, but I'm definitely not using it for me myself because I have a sensitive skin. The next thing I see here is a belt. Yeah, it's a red belt. Well, I can use this. Maybe. It's a belt. It's a good, fine kind of belt. So that's good. And the next thing I have here is a candy. It is a chocolate. It's this one. And then I have a packet. I think it's jewelry. I'm like 99% sure. Ew. So this is how it looks like. Pardon my nail polish, it's almost gone. Yeah, this is how it looks like. But then the other one is broken. Like it became broken. So first thing here, and it's a clothing piece. I like it. It's so cute. So basically this is kind of a off shoulder, or maybe you can just wear it like a, you know what, boat neck, and it has this cute sleeve, and it's completely my type because I like this kind of stuff, and it's so cute. The color, the print, everything is so awesome. So I think my favorite in this box is this. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, and also like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, I am trying to be consistent, so yeah, bye.